Sometimes people discover they have fatty liver and immediately decide to eat healthy. So they cut down fried food, they avoid heavy meals, and they start adding what they believe are healthy foods into their daily routine. For a few weeks, everything feels like it should be improving. But then the next blood test comes back and the liver enzymes are still high. And that's where the confusion quietly begins. Because now the question appears, if the diet was healthy, why did the liver not improve? So people start looking for another answer. Maybe the problem is not fat. Maybe it is sugar. Maybe it is carbohydrates. Maybe the body needs more protein. And before long, the internet starts offering hundreds of different diet plans, grocery lists, detox drinks, and liver repair foods. At that point, many people begin trying random solutions without really understanding what the liver actually needs. And this misunderstanding is one of the most common reasons fatty liver improves slowly, even when someone is trying very hard to do the right thing. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll explain what fatty liver really means, which foods generally support liver repair, which common eating habits quietly worsen the liver, and how a simple liver-friendly diet can help your body recover naturally. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what actually helps the liver and what simply creates more confusion. So let's get started. Now, let's understand this scientifically. Fatty liver, medically called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, happens when excessive fat begins to accumulate inside the liver cells. This usually develops slowly over time and is strongly linked with insulin resistance, excessive calories, and metabolic imbalance. Large clinical studies published in journals such as the Lancet Gastroenterology and Hepatology have shown that diet quietly plays one of the biggest roles in both causing and reversing this condition. But here is where most people get it wrong. They focus only on removing bad foods while ignoring the foods that actually help the liver recover. And the liver is not just a filter. It is a metabolic organ that responds very specifically to the nutrients you eat. So let's walk through the foods that generally help repair the liver. Many people believe fatty liver improves simply by avoiding fat. But the real issue is not dietary fat alone. The real issue is chronic inflammation and insulin resistance. This is why anti-inflammatory foods are extremely important for liver recovery. One of the most studied dietary patterns for fatty liver is the Mediterranean diet. Researchers at the University of Naples conducted controlled dietary trials and found that this pattern significantly reduced liver fat and improved insulin sensitivity. This diet focused on foods like olive oil, nuts, seeds, vegetables, legumes, and fish. These foods contain compounds that reduce inflammation and improve metabolic balance. So, when people ask about the best foods for fatty liver, the answer is usually not a single miracle food. It is a pattern of eating that lowers inflammation inside the body. And this is why liver-friendly foods often include vegetables, healthy fats, and whole foods that stabilize blood sugar. Now, this is something many people do not expect. Sugar plays a much bigger role in fatty liver than most people realize. Excessive sugar, especially from sweet drinks, desserts, and refined carbohydrates, is quickly converted into fat inside the liver. This process is called de novo lipogenesis. Clinical research published in Hepatology has shown that high intake of fructose can significantly increase liver fat accumulation. So, someone may avoid fried food but still consume large amounts of sugary tea, fruit juices, sweet snacks, or desserts. And unfortunately, the liver still receives the signal to store more fat. This is why controlling sugar and refined carbohydrates is one of the most important parts of a fatty liver meal plan. It doesn't mean eliminating carbohydrates completely. It means choosing slower digesting carbohydrates like oats, whole grains, lentils, and vegetables that support stable blood sugar levels. And yes, this is a confusion I see very often in clinical conversations. People remove oil but continue drinking sweet beverages throughout the day. From the liver's perspective, that trade-off doesn't really solve the problem. And this is the part that surprises most people. Protein actually plays an important role in fatty liver recovery. When someone reduces calories without enough protein, the body may lose muscle mass, and muscle is one of the most important tissues for improving insulin sensitivity. Studies published in the Journal of Hepatology have shown that balanced protein intake supports metabolic health and may help reduce liver fat when combined with weight management. Good sources of protein include fish, eggs, legumes, yogurt, and moderate portions of lean meats. For people following a liver repair diet plan, these foods help stabilize appetite and reduce excessive snacking, and that indirectly helps the liver recover. So far, we have seen that fatty liver is not random, and this is where the real issues become clear. The liver responds best when the overall diet reduces inflammation, stabilizes blood sugar, and provides balanced nutrients. This is also why fruits and vegetables play such an important role. Vegetables for liver health provide fiber, antioxidants, and plant compounds that help reduce oxidative stress in liver cells. Leafy greens, broccoli, tomatoes, carrots, and peppers are particularly beneficial because they support detoxification pathways and improve metabolic balance. Fruits can also be helpful, especially berries, apples, and citrus fruits, because they contain fiber and antioxidants. But portion balance is very important, especially for people with insulin resistance or diabetes. In simple terms, the goal is not to follow extreme diets or harsh restrictions. The goal should be to build a sustainable eating pattern that consistently supports liver metabolism. Let me be very clear. You don't need extreme solutions, and you also don't need complicated programs. You need consistency and the right understanding. When you fix insulin resistance and chronic inflammation through balanced nutrition, your body often begins responding the way it should. Here is what I generally recommend for people trying to improve fatty liver through diet. Step 1 is to reduce added sugar and refined carbohydrates, especially sweet drinks, desserts, and ultra-processed snacks. Step 2 is to build meals around vegetables, healthy fats like olive oil or nuts, and balanced protein sources. Step 3 is to follow a consistent eating pattern similar to the Mediterranean-style diet, which has a strong scientific support for improving metabolic health. Start small and stay consistent. Your body adapts over time. Fatty liver is very common, but in many cases, it is also reversible when the underlying metabolic causes are addressed, and with the right nutrition, the liver has a remarkable ability to repair itself. If you learned something new from today's video, please like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Dr. Max for simple, natural, and science-based ways to stay healthy and live better. Start today.